Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna install a single exhaust for the Infiniti G35 Nissan 350Z. So for this exhaust we're gonna use the single one, was this one here guys. So I did the factory one, it fit cut, no problem. So this exhaust I got it from eBay. Fit really good. So why I did buy this exhaust? Why I buy this exhaust from eBay is better. Why? Because it has the silencer. So the silencer doesn't come in with the Z1. If you put the Z1, you have to spend more. You have to buy the Y with the resin lighter. Costs more money. Costs almost $500. Plus the exhaust 1500. It's gonna cost you a lot of money. And the car is old. The car doesn't worth a lot of money. So this is why I buy a single one exhaust from eBay. Is better. I think it's better. Because I use this exhaust here, I have the one I have on my car, this from eBay. It lasts me almost 3 years. It's been better, but so I'm gonna put this one now to produce the car more horsepower. So let's change everything and see how it's going from that one. So why I want to change my exhaust, because if you look over here guys, there is some leak. I always keep hit this place here all time, so this why I gotta be changing it. So even here there starts some leak, so this one I gotta. So guys, this is the exhaust. So this little pipe you have to be on this side here, close to the white pipe, the extension one, and here we go. There's the exhaust all the way down. And the most problem people forget about it is the ground. You have to be an exhaust to create horsepower back. So I got one back because I broke the other one. I got this one for AutoZone. It's only $7. So gotta put it on this side here, directly to the chassis. Because the factory one is coming in the back. You go to the chassis, same thing. So always put the ground back. So let's install the ground. So guys, so this is the ground to the chassis, to the exhaust. So finally guys, I changed my exhaust. So I put the eBay exhaust on the car. Let's show you what's going on to my other exhaust, why I changed it. Look at that guys. So pretty bad. The lid this side is broke. And this side here, every time I hit like a concrete, I keep mess up the exhaust. So this is why I changed this one now. I go to single one. Let's see how the exhaust sound better or not. Was it different? So guys, let me know what you think about the sound. So I gotta take the car for a ride and we're gonna see how the car gonna perform. I think I have to tighten some bolt. I think I have some leak, I believe so, because I do it really quick because the shop is gonna be closed at 6 o'clock. So we're staying working on it until like 7 o'clock. So now have to go back tomorrow again and make sure everything is tight, how it's supposed to be, and we gotta go take it for a ride. And we'll see you next. So I changed the exhaust last night, so the car was good, driving smoothly, but the car doesn't shift as supposed to be because I didn't put this ground back to the exhaust. A lot of people did change the exhaust, but they forgot to put the ground to the exhaust. So if you don't put this one, the car gotta be missing one of the ground, go to the exhaust. And for the knock sensor and everything, this one you have to be connected over the car. If you don't put the ground, the car is gonna be driving like crap. So when I put the ground back, the car gonna start shift better, creates more horsepower and a lot of things. And I see a lot of people on YouTube, when you change the exhaust, you know, put this one back. Then after that, you gotta start have problem with your 1000 and a lot of code because you're losing communication with the ECU. So you don't want the exhaust missing for the body. So yeah, this you have to go back. So this is body exhaust ground. You have to go back. We have to wait at night. So I have 3 mode in the car. So there is 3 mode. So there is a regular one, and there is popping noise, and there is backfire. So I gotta throw some flame. So I have to wait until the night, and I gotta throw some flame on the car. We gotta see how the car will be throwing flame now. So the first mode, click there. The second mode, click twice. One, two, three. There we go. 3 times. Yesterday I drove the car because the ground was not there. The car we drove like really heavy, doesn't want to shift. So now I put the ground back. Oh my god, the car pick up a lot of horsepower and shift really smooth. So that ground make the difference. Yes, I'll be driving the car really loud and no horsepower, and many people they ask me, we have issue, the car doesn't want to drive like good. Always when you change the exhaust, make sure you put the ground back, or go get to AutoZone, gets a different one and change the place. Where's the ground coming exactly? Because normally it's coming in the back, so you can put it a different way. So stay with me guys until the night. We'll go check how the car gonna throw some flame.